Welcome to part 3 of our 12-volt battery testing series. In this video, we will cover the cranking voltage on load check using a digital multimeter. This verifies your battery's ability to deliver starter current. Perform this test after the static voltage check what we learned from part 2. This video is perfect for vehicle owners, drivers and entry-level technicians. A video demonstration of the cranking test procedure will follow, showing step-by-step process in a vehicle. Objectives: understand cranking voltage drop under load and interpret the results for engine starting reliability. Tools required: a digital multimeter which has 20 volt DC range and clean leads essentially. Safety first. Vehicle in park or neutral, parking brakes on, ignition off and accessories off. Confirm the polarity: red to positive, black to negative. Measure at battery terminals only. Step 1. Preparation. Confirm static voltage is more than or equal to 12.6 volts. Wait for 5 minutes for the dissipation of surface voltage. Step 2. Set multimeter to 20 volt DC. Check the leads for any damage. Step 3. Connect the multimeter probes, red to positive, black to negative. Step 4. Crank the engine for less or equal to 5 seconds. Record the lowest voltage. Repeat 3 times with a gap of around 5 minutes. Please take help of an assistant for cranking the engine. Maintenance tips: keep the terminals tight and free from corrosion. Clean the terminal brush in case of corrosion. Avoid repeated deep discharges. Plan longer trips to maintain the charge. Cranking test the load handling capacity of battery at 200 amperes. If cranking voltage is more than 10 volts, indicates the battery is in excellent condition. If it is between 9.6 to 10 volt, it is in good condition. If it is between 9 to 9.5 volt, battery is weak. Charge and retest it. Any results lesser than 9 volts, battery is in a bad condition. Aging, require replacement. Common errors to avoid during the cranking test: skipping the static voltage test before the cranking test. Duration of cranking is more than 5 seconds. Ignoring corrosion, loose cables and cracks in the battery. Well done. From this cranking test, what we have learned is, if cranking voltage is lesser than 9.6 volts, then you have to be cautious. Monitor thoroughly, else there can be a situation arising wherein you may get stranded on the road. Follow the steps, mind safety, and use the diagnostic table as a quick reference when deciding whether to charge, monitor, or replace the battery. Coming up next in part 3 is a video demonstration of the cranking test, showing the step-by-step how to perform this crucial test. Great job! We have completed part 1 to 3 on our battery diagnosis before attempting any replacement. Up next is the parasitic drain and container drain test on the battery. Please do like, subscribe and share the video so that the information is reaching to the needy one. Thanks a lot for watching the video.